like sa generation natin, ang hirap na 9 to 5 work lang or isang source of income. So you have to like explore other things. So yun yung thing like when I conceptualize, I think of a feeling or a moment na parang I wanna encapsulate it. Ako kasi I want it to be black and white and simple. So it was made of paper. Yung Filipino word is papel. A bit of creativity like, ano yan? Papel-papel. So, I'm architect Nico Tan. Papel-papel is a creative way of giving your love letter. So, instead of just giving a plain and simple greeting card, papel-papel gives you a creative option wherein we have this gift box. And then, when you open this gift box, you have this special paper cut artwork. Dito, wala lang kalagay, pero we can print your letters. Ang kagandahan nito, like, we can display it to remind us of that special moment na celebrate natin. So it's not just like a greeting card, then you keep it. So this one, you have this message, and then yung dome na paper cut artwork, you can display it. So tuwing makikita mo siya, you'll remember of that special moment. So, nag-start to nung pandemic, like most of the businesses. So, ako kasi, very visual ako na being an architect, like gusto ko nakikita ko yung outputs ko. Ayun, nag-spring cleaning ako nung pandemic, and then marami akong naipon na folders. So, I thought na gamitin ko siya pang scaled models. Tapos parang eventually, of course, I was bored. And I was also doing scaled models, and then my mom saw it. Tapos sabi niya, anong gagawin natin dyan? So parang kalat lang din yan, kala ko maglilinis ka. So I thought na parang, what if I do something na ma-appreciate ni mom? Parang I remembered nung bata siya, mahilig siya sa mga theme parks. I thought of a design which is yung carousel. Yun yung first design natin, which is yung carousel. So parang ginawan ko siya, natuwa siya. Kasi sabi niya, oy, ang cute niyan. So, basically, it fits her interests. Tapos, syempre, maraming amigas. And then, eventually, like, nagpagawa-gawa din sila. So, after that, nakwento ko sa friends ko. Tapos, isang friend ko, nagpaparenovate siya ng bedroom niya. Ito yung second design natin, which is yung elk forest. Medyo dark. Tapos, parang rustic vibe. So, when I showed him the design, nagustuhan niya. Tapos eventually, like, pinost niya yung condo niya, tapos nandun yung artwork. Nakita ng ibang friends ko, eventually they wanted to buy. So, ayun, dun nag-start yung business. So, sabi ko, okay pala to. Like, you can earn from something you like doing, your hobbies. Like, you can turn it into business. Initially, it was hand-cut. Etong design na to, hindi ito yung first prototype. Iba yung kay mom. Nung dumating tayo dito sa elk forest, laser cut na siya. Kasi coming from a Chinese family, nakuha ko yung businessy side ng family namin. So parang ever since, nag-iisip ako ng mga, ano bang small businesses na pwede natin gawin? Kasi like sa generation natin, ang hirap na 9 to 5 work lang or isang source of income, so you have to like explore other things. So may mga ibang brands na ako na naisip. Ako kasi I wanted to be black and white and simple. So it was made of paper. Yung Filipino word is papel. So a bit of creativity like, ano yan? Papel-papel. So for the design, I made the template kasi. So initially, in template, nagamit ko yung math ko. So yung mga circumference gano'n. Because I wanted it to maximize the dome and also feature the layers in a creative way, maganda sa mata. So ginawa ko yung template, and then yung designs naman, ginagawa ko siya sa isang program. So I conceptualized the design. For example, itong bunny meadows, like I wanted it flowers, plus may focal point na bunnies. So it's like you're thinking of a world na you can encapsulate inside a dome. So yun yung thought process ko. So it takes me for the conceptualization like about a week. Karamihan dito like I draw it, I take a photo or scan it, and then put it dun sa program. Actually, medyo surprised din ako na parang, talaga, nagawa ko to dati. If you have the time kasi, you can think of a lot of things na you're capable of doing pala. So right now, we have the templates na. Right now, we have actually 6 designs. When someone places an order, I give them 3 to 5 days. Yung staff ko, gagawin na siya. And then, yung mismong cutting, it would take like 15 minutes lang. And then, yung assembly yung matagal. It takes like 1 to 2 hours. Apart from that, yung pag-print ng messages. So, basically mga 2 days. Let's start muna dun sa carousel because ito yung first design natin. So yung carousel, yun nga, it's like whimsical things na, of course, like circus or a theme park. I want it very intricate, and when you look at it, it gives you a hint, pero it doesn't give everything away. So yun yung thing like when I conceptualize, I think of a feeling or a moment na parang I wanna encapsulate it. And then the second one is the elk forest. So generation natin, very busy and all. Inisip ko to like, ano yung place of solace na hindi masyado magulo, daming tao, gusto ko yung relax lang. So naisip ko like a forest, it's cold, it's not that bright, it feels peaceful. The third one is the Bunny Meadows. So this one, it's like a meadow na maraming flowers, tapos like 2 bunnies playing around. Mabenta to sa couples, kunyari gift for a wedding. Ito, hindi ko siya favorite. Pero in demand talaga siya. Kasi very flexible siya. Kasi for me, sobrang universal kasi talaga na if you love someone, if you care for someone, you give them a flower. Flowers kasi like the fresh ones, kapag binigay mo siya, wala na siya agad. So, kapag papel-papel, yun yung nagustuhan nila, pwede nila i-display. They can keep this forever. Yun yung kagandahan niya. So these ones, 3,000 pesos. We call it a box set kasi we will print your messages here dun sa box. You can give it na nakabukas yung light sa loob. And then when they open it, ang ganda pag tingin mo may glow ng light tapos biglang bababa yung box. Tapos nandun yung message mo. It's also an experience na yung ibibigay mo sa kanya, yung special moment na yun. And aside from that, you can display it and remember that moment.